Hey you guys, it's Britt. Today I'm here to review the Rimmel ScandalEyes Volume On Demand Mascara. I paired it up against another Rimmel mascara that I have and I was a little underwhelmed, but if you're interested, please keep watching. Hey guys, I'm here to do a quick review. So this is the Rimmel ScandalEyes Volume On Demand Mascara and I'm going to read a little bit about it and then start to apply it. So I'm on the Rimmel website right now. I bought mine at CVS and it says ScandalEyes Volume On Demand Mascara allows you to customize your lash volume. Reapply mascara throughout the day and refresh with each and every coat. The wavy fiber brush with a unique tapered shape grabs, coats, and combs each lash. It's a conditioning formula, clump-free, flake-free, smudge-free. And it looks like it comes in waterproof as well. I want to say I paid $6.99 for this at CVS. Rimmel mascaras are usually pretty affordable. I haven't tried a lot of them, but I have tried a fair amount. So this is the brush. I'll insert a close-up. It's a nice natural bristle wand, which I really love. And I do think today I will do a comparison. I'll figure out which mascara I'm going to pair this against in just a second. So I don't really have any mascaras that are a similar brush, but I do have another one from Rimmel, so I'll just compare it against the Extra Super Lash. I actually like this mascara. It's cheap. And I don't know why more people don't talk about it. It's got a nice little natural bristle wand and it always comes in a twin pack. So you get two for like, $5 or whatever. Okay, so there is one coat of each. Typically with this one, I do pair it with other mascaras just because I'm super picky and I don't really like the way it looks by itself, but I've always concocted mascara sort of cocktails. I'm not usually super impressed with the way a single mascara works. Okay, there is 2 coats. It's doing a really great job at like the base of my lashes, but honestly, that's about it. This is probably just going to be another mascara that I have to pair with others to make it look really good. I think that this one is giving me a little bit more of a fluffy lash, where the Extra Super Lash is not creating that same effect, especially at the base of my lashes. Okay, so there is 3 coats. I've just learned that I'm just a picky bitch when it comes to mascaras anymore. I have found a few that I really like at the drugstore, and now I feel like I just compare everything to the ones that I really like. So there is 3 coats. My lashes look a little longer with the Extra Super Lash, but I'm really not impressed with either side. I like pairing the Extra Super Lash with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. That's how I typically will get it to work and look really good. I would say if you're in the market for a new mascara, go with Lash Paradise or the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. That's a more recent discovery that I really love, but I mean, with these 2 by themselves, I could take it or leave it. So anyway, I know that's not really a great answer to give to you guys, but I'm also just being completely transparent. I would say that if you're looking for a good, cheap mascara to maybe pair with some of your other ones, I do like the Super Lash, but you know, by itself, it's not really anything to write home about. So anyway, that is the end of the video. I will insert a little close-up of my lashes for you guys. If you like this video, please leave me a like and a comment. And if you would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.